Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've used real roses to create this look. It is inspired by the Shawn Mendes album cover, and it's sort of meant to look like an optical illusion, like this skin is kind of coming off my face and roses are coming out from underneath. So if you want to see how I did this, just keep watching. So today I'm going to do a creative look with some roses. I love incorporating real flowers into creative looks, and I have this giant pimple, so whatever look I do create is going to cover up this. So yeah, if you've got a massive pimple on your face, just put flowers on your face to cover it up. That's what you gotta do. I can buy myself flowers, put them on my face. First step is I'm going to do my base makeup, so I'll come back with that done. Okay, base is done. Just done like pinky smoky, and the pimple has covered up quite well, so it's not too bad. But now we're going to add these. Where is the eyeliner? Can't you see? Ah, here it is. I have been using this eyeliner for so long. It is probably not safe, but anyway. So to start, I am tracing out with a white eyeliner. I always use a white eyeliner. I find it the easiest just to map out so it's not too permanent, just in case I make a mistake. So I'm drawing out the first shape, and then I'm drawing out the second shape, which is going to be all colored in black to look like, you know, the face had been pulled upwards. Now to fill in the second shape with black face paint, it's really simple. You just fill in this whole section black, but as you'll see, I get distracted along the way. Bye-bye, pimple. So cover it up. I lose control when you're not next to me. Is that a thing? Should I just sing and... Oh my goodness, I should go live on TikTok. This is crazy. What am I doing? Oh, okay, we're going live. So I'm filming YouTube and live on TikTok. This is too much. This is too much. I've never done a creative makeup look live. This is going to kind of, this skin is kind of going to look like it's sitting up out of my face. I found a girl. Are they just like creepy guys on lives? Is that what happens? People got time in their hands. Yeah, well, what's ridiculous is that some of these looks, I've got another look that took me 5 hours, so that sucked. But I did turn myself into Nebula, so. Now I'm up to the shading section. So shading, I would allow a lot of time for this because this turns it from this 2D kind of patchwork look to something realistic. If you even skip a minute from here, you'll just see the difference. But when you watch slowly, you kind of don't realize how much dimension you're creating. So I'm using a darker color to push things backwards, and then going through with a lighter concealer to give highlights like I just did there on the edge of the nose and then on the bottom of the cheek there. I go back and forth. I'm a little bit rusty, to be honest, so I was trying to remember techniques I had used in the past, but you'll see by the end I did finally get there. But yeah, you can just watch the process of this one. She has a leaf on her face. Gonna come down here. Onward, we stumbled. Yes, I think to blend these in, I'm going to leave a bit of black and then paint black on the actual petals. Might have to go to the hard drugs glue. Okay, we have Prosade. We have Prosade. Alright, let's put some down. Prosade's hectic, but it'll work. Why can't you see? That one's a little bit big. It's so funny, and in YouTube videos it's like, I know exactly what I'm doing, copy what I'm doing. Ha! No one knows what they're doing. When I release this YouTube video, I want someone who was on the TikTok live to be like, she had no idea. Ignore all her like back voicing of it. She had no clue what she was doing. Sticking roses on my face, 'cause why not, it's a Tuesday. Huh. What in the Illuminati is going on? That's gold. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here either. And I'm literally just gonna shower after this. It's so sad. I mean, I don't know where I'd go with this anyway. Now that is the finished look. I know it was chaotic, but I mean, it was kind of fun. Let me know if you liked this style of video and if I should go live again while filming these, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.